Welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to try to get additional and then the magnitude of the vectors. So we have vector D, vector E, and vector F. And it told us that, okay, something very unusual that you can see between vector E and D. So if you can actually get it from the size and graphing, you can see vector D and vector E's x components are going to cancel each other out because you have x hat, y hat, z hat, Cartesian coordinate system, they're all perpendicular. So you have all of those, and then we say, okay, y hat is going to be up, x hat is going to be right. So E is using 2 y hats, and then negative 4x is going to the opposite direction. D is going to use 4x hat and then 2 y hats. And you see, if we use it graphically, it seems that x hats are going to cancel each other out. So let's prove this by adding it on. You're going to add your components on, and you see, look, okay, oh, negative 4 plus 4, just like algebra. You're going to cancel off them out, and x hat is going to be cancelled, and then we have 2 y hats plus 2 y hats, we get plus 4 y hats plus 0 x hats, which means we get this vector A over here, which is the vector addition. And it's just 4 y hats. It only has y hats, it does not have any x hats. That's how we get it. Now let's get the magnitude and see, because as you can see in vector E and vector D, it seems to have like a 45 degrees angle, but in the vector F, it seems that we have like a 30 degrees angle. And vector D is using 2 y hats plus 4x hats. So we're going to square them and then get the square root of the addition, which we have a square root of 20 as a magnitude. And the direction is like northeasternish. It's going northeasternish. And then E is going northwesternish. And although E is going to have the same magnitude, this is another thing that we can see, that E also has a square root of 20. And then F is going to have negative 2x hat plus negative 2y hats. 4 plus 4 is 8. So the square root of 8 is going to be the magnitude for it after F. And it has a 30 degrees angle, as I can see, or maybe 45, I don't know. I just don't want to give them all 45. Maybe these are 30 or that's 45, I don't know. But this is how we can get the magnitudes and direction. You can also see that we can actually see that they don't use the same vector units. Because, I mean, although the magnitude is supposed to be scalar, and the scalar unit vectors are using different symbols, but they already have the same unit vectors. So, but they don't have the same symbols to go ahead and see. And we can see that how our answer for magnitude is scalar, but answer that we added up was actually a vector. It was not in scalar. So hopefully you guys learned something new, and I see you guys in next videos. If you have any comments, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.